nearest tenth, and it would have been okay. Alright? Any questions with that? Okay. Here we have, if Greensboro's population was 240,000 7 years ago, and is now 22,400, and that's just rounded to the nearest thousand. What is the percent? Period. What is the percent decrease in population? And I'm just going to abbreviate population, pop, period. Okay? Alright. The 24,000, first of all, we're looking for what here? Percent, right? So automatically, you could write this as P or X, you know, either way. We'll just write it as P over 100 equals to change over our original. And we looked at original before as our base, right? So, the change, we need to figure out what that is, right? Change is what? How are we going to figure that out? Subtract, right? 4,000 minus, no, I'm wrong. 240,000 minus 22,400. Since it's absolute value, you could have done it that way and still got a positive answer from that. So there's our absolute value signs here. And we get our change is how much? 16,000, right? Okay, so we want to put P over 100 equals to what? What goes in the numerator? 16,000 over our original, which is what? What's our original amount? 240, right? Okay? So here we can go ahead and divide. We can put P over 100 and just divide 16. Now we got 16,000, 24,000, so we can eliminate 3 zeros and 3 zeros and just use 16 over 240. So that's what we'll do. So we're going to put in 16 divided by 240, and we get 0.06. Now you want to be careful here because this is 0.06, okay, and not 0.6 repeating. This is 0.06 repeating. All right. So this is what we've got.
Okay, but if
Yeah. 666, right? And it goes on 7. But because we have that P over 100, we automatically put that. We are automatically moving that decimal point and making it a what?
6.
Yes. So we're going to, what we're doing here is we are multiplying, right? Both sides times 100. And then that's when we're moving that decimal point over. Okay, so you know whether you do it that way or go which makes it what? 7%, right. P equals to 7%. Because that'll come out to be P equals to 6.666666, and just, right, percent. So we're going to just draw our line at the whole point, the decimal point, with the 6, and we just round it up to 7. Okay? So what does that represent? 7% what? Decrease, right? 7% decrease or decline in population. Okay? Alright. Okay, here we have a business executive receives $4,500 per month. In his paycheck. Later, he gets hired at a new company. And is now receiving $400 more in his paycheck per month. What was the percent increase in his